Hello? Hello?
Hello. Welcome to the shop. Hello. Welcome to the shop.
How are you? How are you?
I'm good. And you? I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
That's good. That's good.
I want to buy some food. I want to buy some food.
Okay. What do you need? Okay. What do you need?
I need milk. I need milk.
Milk is over there. Milk is over there.
I need eggs too. I need eggs too.
Eggs are near the milk. Eggs are near the milk.
Do you have bread? Do you have bread?
Yes. The bread is on that table. Yes. The bread is on that table.
Is the bread fresh? Is the bread fresh?
Yes, it is fresh today. Yes, it is fresh today.
Great. I want one. Great. I want one.
Okay. Take one. Okay. Take one.
I also want rice. I also want rice.
Rice is on the shelf near the wall. Rice is on the shelf near the wall.
Do you have oil? Do you have oil?
Yes. It is next to the rice. Yes. It is next to the rice.
Where can I find tomatoes? Where can I find tomatoes?
Tomatoes are in the front, near the door. Tomatoes are in the front, near the door.
I want 5 tomatoes. I want 5 tomatoes.
Okay. You can pick them. Okay. You can pick them.
Do you have apples? Do you have apples?
Yes. We have red apples and green apples. Yes. We have red apples and green apples.
Are the red apples sweet? Are the red apples sweet?
Yes. Very sweet. Yes. Very sweet.
I will take 2. I will take 2.
No problem. No problem.
Where is the pasta? Where is the pasta?
The pasta is next to the rice. The pasta is next to the rice.
I also want juice. I also want juice.
The juice is near the cold drinks. The juice is near the cold drinks.
I see water. Can I take 1 bottle? I see water. Can I take 1 bottle?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
I need sugar. Do you have it? I need sugar. Do you have it?
Yes. It's on the small table. Yes. It's on the small table.
Do you have salt too? Do you have salt too?
Yes. Salt is next to the sugar. Yes. Salt is next to the sugar.
Do you sell soap here? Do you sell soap here?
Yes. It is in the back. Yes. It is in the back.
I think I am done. I think I am done.
Okay. Let's go to the counter. Okay. Let's go to the counter.
How much is all this? How much is all this?
Let me see. It is $45. Let me see. It is $45.
Can I pay with card? Can I pay with card?
Yes, card is okay. Yes, card is okay.
Here is my card. Here is my card.
Thank you. Payment done. Thank you. Payment done.
Do you have a bag? Do you have a bag?
Yes. Here is a bag. Yes. Here is a bag.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Have a nice day.
Wait. Sorry. Wait. Sorry.
Yes? What is it? Yes? What is it?
I forgot something. I forgot something.
No problem. What do you need? No problem. What do you need?
Do you have coffee? Do you have coffee?
Yes. It is near the tea. Yes. It is near the tea.
How much is the coffee? How much is the coffee?
It is $7. It is $7.
That is too much. That is too much.
It is good coffee. It is good coffee.
Can you give me a lower price? Can you give me a lower price?
Okay. $6 for you. Okay. $6 for you.
It is too expensive. It is too expensive.
$5? Final price. $5? Final price.
Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount?
Already gave you one. Already gave you one.
Okay, I will take it. Okay, I will take it.
Good choice. Good choice.
Now I am really done. Now I am really done.
Let's go to the counter again. Let's go to the counter again.
Can I pay for the coffee now? Can I pay for the coffee now?
Yes. Done. Thank you. Yes. Done. Thank you.
Thank you again. Thank you again.
You're welcome again. You're welcome again.
Bye for real. Bye for real.
Bye. Come again. Bye. Come again.